Suddenly, Disney is out of magic. Paris is no longer romantic. New York doesn't stay up anymore. The Chinese wall is no longer a fortress, and Mecca is empty. Hugs and kisses suddenly become weapons, and staying away from friends and family becomes an act of love. It is a Thursday afternoon. I walk across the hall, open my phone, turn on the TV, to numerous pleas of life returning to normal. The news anchor firmly reminds us to social distance. My mother begs me to wash your hands, and civilians are left to hold on to nothing but material goods. I sit back and think for a moment, and it's easy for me to identify. This life was never normal. It never has been. Nothing should go back to normal. We can't return to normal, because the normal that we had was precisely the problem. Normal wasn't working. Is 6 feet apart really going to save us from reality? Is a face mask going to stop us from feeling? Are these rubber gloves going to make it easier to let go? Perhaps this virus means much more. To me, it is a reminder, a wake-up call. The future itself is not what it used to be. They tell me that the economy is crashing when money is the thing that's going to kill us. We're trying to kill time, while this time kills us. Ask yourself, are you chasing peace or pleasure? And let yourself be reminded of love. Love is something we force ourselves to find in others and other things when it's been here all along. We are constantly playing search and destroy because we are too oblivious to see the ones that already love us. Take a second, take a moment, take a look at your surroundings. Look at the people who are around you and ask yourself, have I loved them enough? And if you have, look at yourself and ask the same question. And as for now, be patient, be joyful, be steady. Because love is not meant to be rushed. There's plenty. But be mindful of your portions and distribute it evenly. Think about what is deserving of your love. Better than that, think of who. Now, think about this. The hard thing about being human is the fact that our entire nature, like what we are as existing beings, is based on the fact that we just care about everything, that we see value in everything. and realize the universe that we exist in, it doesn't care about anything. Literally, everything just ends. It doesn't have to be pretty or beautiful. Things just end. It can be absolutely tragic to us, but to the world, it doesn't matter. Humans are cursed to hold on as tightly as they can to all of the beautiful things that they find in life, while also understanding that everything is going to be taken from you at some point. Us humans are burdened by meaning. But we have a choice. We've always had this choice of where to put our attention and where we are going to find our meaning. Now I want you to picture this. It's late 2020. Our houses are clean and organized. We're more connected to our relationships than ever before, because all we've been able to do is communicate. We come out of our houses. The world reopens, and we are kinder, more loving, more grateful, more understanding, and more appreciative of the beauty of life and human connection. We see our friends again. We don't have to be 6 feet apart, because there's nothing that could jump from you to them or them to you. We wash our hands, but we wash our hands a normal amount, because there's nothing making us paranoid anymore. Together, we rebuild the world intentionally and sustainably. Together, we place our attention onto what is meaningful. Together, we wake up. As we embrace the new normal, I will reach for the window instead of your hands. I will watch the world from the other side of the glass. It will try to change me, and I hope it does. The world is changing. We should too. Don't smell the flowers. Don't hug your neighbor. Let it all heal. Let it all change. That is all that is left. The only option is to watch it change from your side of the glass and let it change.